Right, and it's a tricky one, Laney, and it may be haves and have-nots, and what falls, it sounds like might be the kind that you can move it just like that, right?
It does seem like it's going to be very powdery, very dry across the area. That can pile up in some regions. We are anticipating that. In Greensboro, you can see the clouds coming in. It's a quiet Tuesday, right? Not so quiet on Wednesday as we've got snow in the forecast, and the cold is going to be the big weather story by the end of the week, with mornings in the teens and highs that are in the 30s. Today we made it close to 50 degrees and we are in the 40s right now. You can see a little bit warmer down to the south and to the east, and that is where we do have that winter storm warning, which extends all the way to the coastline in the northeastern part of North Carolina. You can see some of the cloud cover coming in as well. We're under mostly a winter weather advisory. That means less of an impact, but still an impact because it's snow in North Carolina. Winter storm warning zone a little farther to the north and to the east for more significant amounts and more of a major impact across the area. We are looking at slick roads and issues resulting from that. Cancellations, delays, things like that. Our latest storm thoughts: still snow, a bit of sleet mixing in, drier air, which could limit amounts in our westernmost communities. And we are really close, though, to what this storm has the potential of putting a big core of higher snowfall totals. It is very close to the triad. So here's what's happening right now. Snow is over Missouri. It's going to be spreading east through the Ohio and Tennessee valleys. Meanwhile, thunderstorms down to the south with this main area of low pressure, which is going to track along the Gulf Coast. Meanwhile, colder air is going to be pushed southward into the Piedmont Triad. As this low does track east, it brings with it snow as well as rain. A second low is going to develop. Hasn't formed yet. It'll develop during the day on Wednesday, pretty close to our coastline, and then it'll take most of the energy with it and work along the coastline. So how close is it to us? How strong is this low? How fast does it move? These are all things that we have to determine with a storm that hasn't formed yet. So that's why it's a little bit tricky. We are going to do our best, of course, to iron this out for you, pin it down. We're pretty confident in our snowfall forecast amounts right now. You can see some of the higher snows, the heavier snows kind of lingering even into Thursday morning in places up toward Norfolk, and then a few snow showers coming in on the back side. So snowfall totals are likely going to be highest as you work your way to the north and to the east. Like I said, though, we are real close to that zone. Here's how it's going to play out during the day tomorrow. A few snow showers possible in the Triad in the morning. We'll see most of the snow falling by late morning, midday, continuing through at least early afternoon, and then maybe a few snow showers continuing into the evening. Maybe a little bit of sleet mixed in the farther south you are. In the foothills, we're also talking about snow showers that develop in the morning and continue into the afternoon. Notice that temperatures are staying below freezing for everyone. In the mountains, we also have a higher chance of snow by daybreak, continuing into the afternoon, then tapering off, those temperatures staying below freezing. Hour by hour forecast shows you the snow as it may play out by 8 a.m. tomorrow through at least 2 or 3 tomorrow afternoon, and then kind of winding down before that second little burst comes in early Thursday morning. This is the map you've been waiting to see. I want you to look at this, and if you're in this light blue area, I want you to think 1, maybe 2, possibly 3 inches, depending on the layout of this storm. So lesser amounts back to the south and to the west, higher amounts kind of trending a little bit more toward our eastern communities. You remember we had a winter storm earlier this season that dumped a lot of snow down east, so it's been kind of unusual this year. Another thing that's unusual is we don't anticipate a lot of freezing rain with this. This is mainly snow, a little bit of sleet, and a little bit of freezing rain south and east, so that light glaze is a possibility. Now, it's southeast in our area, but south and east also means eastern North Carolina. We've got that state of emergency because we're looking at also ice in addition to significant snow across the Carolinas. So a wider view for you will show you that snow. You can see the burst of snow here, the ice that develops here by tomorrow afternoon, and then simply these areas off to the northeast are going to have more hours of snowfall, so the totals should add up. And if that storm system changes its track, its speed, or its intensity, all of this will shift too, and we'll keep you up to date. Here's our 7-day forecast. The cold air definitely behind this system will keep whatever's on the ground around for a while.
Laney, we appreciate it. Thanks very much. 6:20 final check on traffic. Roads look fine for now. I-40, Silas Creek Parkway in Winston-Salem. No issues in either direction, and still a little bit of sunlight at 6:20.
You're watching WXII 12. And now, the Modern Automotive Sports Report.
For many high schoolers across the Triad, the